First floor, eh? Nothing, eh? Hey, it's from the connectors. Something is... Wait. Call? Wait. No, it's the switches. We need to check everything, all the cables. Now I put it to normal. It's supposed to come alone, but it's offing. If I on, I off, it will come. See? Now I put it to normal. You see? Yeah, it's making reset. Now it's open, close the door. Everything fine, but we are not lucky. If you call it, it's not coming. Wait. Go from there. And here no code. Everything fine here. This is my problem. You understand? Everything fine. No any wahala. Wait. I enter. First floor. I enter, I press first floor, but it's not... wait. Ανεβαίνει πρώτο όροφο. Leave it like that. Let's go down. No, not necessary. It's closing. Let's say we are now on the first floor. The light is shut off. Let's go down. The light off. Wait, leave it off. Give some time. The light off. You don't know. Call it down. Call it down. It's coming. It's okay. No. You need to go out. Don't confuse. It's okay.
I said let me go to second floor.
See, you will go to second floor. You go out if the door open. You wait small time to light the off. You press the button again to enter.
Okay.
And after you come down. Okay. Go. Wait small. Let me go up. Oliver, go outside. Go out, wait small to close the door, go far to don't read you near, because have sensor. The door close. Wait small, the light off. Wait small. The door is closed. Press the button to open. Yeah, enter inside. Try to enter. Nothing. And what? Wait. Okay, go from there. Come down. Go from there. Leave it small. It's the switches. They have passion contact somewhere. It's because of the weather. We need to check all the cables. You are there. Go, calm down. Go from there. We're confusing it now. You wait, stay there. I want to check the code. If you have code. Okay, wait. Yeah. Wait, go. It's coming by himself down. No. Door open. Door close. Finish. I tell you what is showing me. It's another matter. I need to call, but we go now because